Hey guys, we are in room 8198 today, and we are going to give you a room tour. It is an interior room on the Carnival Sunshine, and follow along and we will show you what you need to see. Alright, I'm going to pass the phone over to Sean in a second. To hold the camera, and I am gonna Vanna White it and show you what you need to see.
Okay.
Okay, so follow along. Come on. So first on this wall we have the air conditioner.
Ooh.
If you have not been on a Carnival cruise ship or any cruise ship in general, it gets warm. You can't really adjust it too much. So we bring a fan.
Yes.
Okay. Moving on. Here is our bed.
Yay.
And we've watched a lot of videos, and a lot of people do this thing, so I'm gonna try it. I am
the bed
a little
test.
nervous, but I gotta test it. Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah.
Over to the left side is not a nightstand, but a table for your rubbish.
Okay. What else is left?
So, then over here, moving on, we have a TV that swivels.
Yay.
Swivel. We have some storage down here. Not really exciting.
Not really exciting.
We have a fridge. And our wine.
Ooh.
We have drawers.
Hair dryer.
Hair dryer, which is filthy. I will not be using that.
Yeah, no.
Gross. Oh, there's laundry bags in there too. Some more shelving, our water. Then we have our closets with hangers.
Yep.
Okay, more closets.
More closets.
And a safe.
And a safe.
And life jackets.
Okay.
Okay. Moving on. Now into the smallest bathroom you've ever seen.
Yes.
So in here we have sink, shelving, toilet, and shower. Shower is in here. It's your basic shower. They provide shampoo and shower gel, but I always like to tell people to bring your own because it's not amazing. And they provide towels. This room has a little bit of wear and tear, a little bit of bubbly. Not the kind of bubbly I like, but. Woo! You did it!
Comfy.
How is it?
Comfy.
So comfy?
Yes.
Yes.
There we go. It's our humble abode for the next 5 days.
Yay! Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah.
If you're liking this video,
I hope you are.
yeah, please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
I say bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Go
What
home.
are you
Show's
doing?
over. Go.
Bye.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, really.
Okay, really.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.